lost over 220 pounds. I made a low carb, high protein chicken enchilada Alfredo. Y'all, let me show you how you do this. I'm gonna put about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of frozen chicken breast in my crock pot. Next, we need some enchilada sauce. This one is a keto-friendly green enchilada sauce. You can use red or green, whatever kind you want. Green chilies. Is anybody else challenged when it comes to opening cans with a can opener? Just me? I feared that much. It's bad. It's so bad. Alfredo. I'm using the Rayos, I don't know how you say it, but that's the one I'm using. Put it in the crock pot on low for about 6 hours. You could crank it up to 4 hours on high. You can also add any kind of other seasoning you wanted to this. I'm keeping it simple right now and we'll taste it later. Chicken's done. Now it's time to turn into the Wolverine and shred it. My kitchen smells incredible, by the way. All right, cheese it up. Now we're cheesing it up. You know I love my cheese. Cheese flavored sawdust, that is. However much parm you want. You know I like a lot. And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some pepper. And then I'm gonna stir and taste test for poison. Taste test for poison. And I wanna see if I need to add any more seasoning to this. Probably do. It's giving white chicken chili vibes. Mmm. Maybe add a little garlic powder. Maybe just a little garlic. Why not? For pasta of choice, I'm using the Kaizen Fusilli pasta. It's low carb, high protein, and gluten-free. All right, pasta is ready and going in. Let's give it a mix. I'm adding a little bit more cheese-flavored sawdust to the top. A little bit of mozzarella to make it cheesy. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on. I've got it on warm and then that cheese will melt. Y'all, it's time to serve this up and see if it's worth eating. I promise you it's gonna be. Oh my gosh, it's all cheesy and gorgina. Look at that. Looks so good. Oh my gosh. Only thing that would make this better is like a side of cottage cheese for extra protein or a little dabble of sour cream or Greek yogurt on the top. That is delish. Mmm.